Today, in this video, we're going through kit. Touched on it last week. Today we're going through my whole kit. Jesus, Mother of Mary. Oh. Let's get into it. So last week I did a little speed up and touched slightly on the kit that I used. Kit bag, box. I don't use a bag, I use a Peli Case. As you can see here, cue the smooth, minty smooth B-roll. Okay, so that was the box, but what really matters is what's inside of it. So we'll start with the moneymaker, the 5DS. This bad boy. Ooh, look at it, all gold and shiny. 50 megapixel, utter beast, full frame of course, and well, it's had like 100,000 shutter orientations. I've literally shot every single image you see here with this bad boy. And well, it's absolutely beautiful, but the file size, oh my god, the file size. I know you Sony boys will be like, but we've got massive file sizes. No, this is hench, so you can stay over there. Lenses. I know I'm called 85mm. I know people ask, did you shoot that on an 85mm? Nah, I shot it on a 50. I'm sorry, I'm a fraud, sue me. But yeah, this is the Sigma Art 1.4, crispy, absolutely stupidly sharp. Oh wow, that looks really funny. But yeah, this is a beautiful lens. The Sigma Art range is incredible. They're a little bit on the costly side, but it's so worth the money. I know people stay narrative lenses, so like Canon to Canon, Sony to Sony, but really Sigma Art, the art range is just impeccable. For wide shots, interior shots, as you can see, I really need to get used to this, don't I? Everything's backwards, it's really annoying. As you can see here, interior shots, wide boy. This is the 17 to 40 f4 Canon L, as you can see with the nice red ring. Yeah, this is a money maker for me because I do a lot of interior stuff. So getting that 17mm wide, especially on a full frame sensor, you get really wide, very, very wide. But it's sharp. But the downside, Sony boy, but you get the pink and blues. This lens really does get pink and blues, you know, around the edges of stuff. When you zoom in, you're like, oh, it's that pink and blue, and then you have to take it all out. This lens is pretty bad for it, but for the wideness and the sharpness, it is pretty damn good. So this is always going to stay in my kit bag. But that, for lenses, that is actually it. That's all I shoot with. I shoot with a 50 and a 17 to 40mm. So we'll go into the accessories. One of my main accessories that I use on pretty much every shot is this Canon. It's not a Canon, it's a Godox, but it looks like a Canon. So yeah. Ooh. This is the Godox AD600 Pro. I have had the AD600, I still use it for a secondary flash, but this is my main flash that I use. Ooh. Today we're going to, oh wow, it's really bright. Yeah, this is my flash I always use, and I can't really go wrong with it. I've looked at ProPhoto, I've used ProPhoto, especially in the old studio I used to work in, and yes, they are absolutely incredible. But the price, that's incredible as well. It's insane money, and this is only, I think this is 700. Again, I'll leave everything linked below. so you can go cop if you want, or go have a look, have a nerd out. But yeah, AD600 is an absolute beast. It's a mini Sun, and it's light, because I usually handhold it, or have an assistant just handhold it, and just whoop, all around. But yeah, AD600 Pro, beautiful, and for the money, perfect. One other thing, I've used on a few shoots, especially when I went to Austria with Mark. This is the Mavic Pro. This is a superb little drone, super smooth, and other than when I crashed it into a wall. F in the chat, boys. But yeah, to get cool little angles from above is insane. I was lucky enough to use this from work, so sweet. But yeah, I really need to use this more, especially on the filming side and all of that. But yeah, Mavic Pro, absolute beast. I'm joking. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know I have a tendency of breaking a certain thing. I go through one of these probably once a month, definitely once a month. Yep, that is a Hoya filter, CPL filter, but not one, not two, not three, but I have actually smashed four of these in the last year. Hoya, please sponsor me. Please just tag them in all of my Instagram so they will sponsor me, because these bad boys are well expensive, but to shoot cars you need them. You cannot beat them. CPLs are literally life. I think Mo did a video on them actually. I'll put that below if I can find it. Shout out to Mo. Love you, Dad. Trigger for the flash. This is a Pro one. Looks like the Pro Photo Air remote, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Nice little remote. It's pretty compact. I always leave it on. It never turns off by itself. But there you go. Ooh, nice little trigger. Another pretty cool one that some people may have in their box, bag, whatever you want to call it. This is... can't open the zip. Tehtertools. Tehtertools to USB C? No, it's not C, is it? Don't know what that is. Yeah, Tehtertools, because sometimes I shoot a computer because you want to see all that crisp. Like I was in the studio the other week and I needed to see on a much bigger scale. So you tether your camera up with these really expensive USB cables. Yep. Okay, so of course you need batteries. I got 3 here. I've probably got about 12 in there. The Canon's all right. It's all right on batteries. It's all right. I know Sony boys, they go through so many batteries, but yeah, batteries always good to have in your box. This little thing. If you follow my Instagram and my travels, you know I didn't bring a plug with me on a certain trip I went to. I've got one now. You can't laugh at me anymore. This does everything from around the world, all of them. So I'm never not gonna have charge for my laptop. Shout out to you, Scotland boys. What else have I got in here? Another key one. Another key. Stickers. These bad boys. With my logo. So sometimes wherever I go, I'll just chuck a sticker on that lamppost. I'll chuck a sticker on that television box. Television box? You know, like the fibre optic boxes. One of them. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, that's what's in my bag. Box. Bag. What do you use? Do you use a bag? Do you use a box? I use a Peli Case with wheels because my kit's heavy and it's a bit easier to pull it along instead of having any backpack. I should really get a backpack for like small little shoots, but I like the box is better. So what do you use? Chuck it in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I actually use, and I hope it actually made sense, because it probably didn't. Yeah, it really didn't, did it? But anyways, you tell me your favourite piece of kit that you use in the comments below, and if I like that piece of kit that you use in the comments below, I will send you out stickers, because that other guy, he had a funniest comment. He won stickers. Stickers are fun, stickers are great. But yeah, that's my Sunday upload done. Third? Fourth? I'll keep them coming on Sundays for you. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, chuck a comment below. I've been Alex, you've been the audience. See you later.